What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to open a long and short position on MEXC Global, step by step, so you understand exactly what to click and how the futures interface works. First, log into your MEXC account and head to the top menu. Click on Futures, then under Perpetual Futures, select USDT-M Perpetual Futures. From there, choose the trading pair you want, for example, BTC USDT, to open the trading interface. Once you're on the trading page, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the trading settings. Find position mode and choose between hedge mode or one-way mode. Hedge mode allows you to hold both a long and a short position at the same time on the same pair, while one-way mode only allows one direction. After selecting your preference, click Confirm. Keep in mind, you can only change position mode when you don't have any open positions or active orders, so do this before you start trading. Next, choose your margin mode. On the right side of the trading interface, you'll see Cross and Isolated. Click one of them, select your preferred option in the pop-up, and confirm. Cross margin shares your balance across positions, while isolated margin limits risk to that specific trade. This setting only applies to new positions, not existing ones. After that, click the gear icon again and go to leverage mode. Here, you can choose between simple mode and advanced mode. Advanced mode gives you more control, allowing different leverage settings for long and short positions. Set your desired leverage, then confirm. For example, you might use higher leverage for a short position and lower leverage for a long, depending on your strategy. Now, it's time to place the trade. Choose your order type, such as limit or market. If you select a limit order, enter your desired price and quantity. If you want other order types like trigger orders or trailing stops, you can select those from the drop-down next to the limit option. Once everything is set, click Open Long if you're buying and expecting the price to go up, or Open Short if you're selling and expecting the price to go down. When the order is filled, your position will appear in the Positions panel. To close your trade, MEXC gives you a few options. You can use Flash Close for an instant exit, manually close the position, reverse it, or set take profit and stop loss levels either before or after opening the trade to manage risk automatically. And that's it. That's how you open and manage long and short positions on MEXC Global using futures trading. Always double check your leverage, margin mode, and order details before confirming, because futures trading carries real risk. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.